Have you ever wondered what it takes to dominate the skies in a modern conflict? In the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, control over the skies has become as critical as the battles on the ground, with a fascinating mix of cutting-edge drones and advanced helicopters. Recent events are setting new precedents, pushing traditional air combat boundaries. One of the most remarkable moments in this high-stakes aerial struggle happened just recently. For the first time, a Russian KA-52 Alligator attack helicopter successfully shot down a Ukrainian UAV. This achievement isn't just a technical feat. It marks a new chapter in the use of helicopters to counter drones, highlighting the evolving role of rotary-wing aircraft in modern warfare. So, how did this encounter unfold, and what does it say about the future of aerial combat? Before diving into the specifics of this milestone, let's get familiar with the KA-52 Alligator. This helicopter is no ordinary machine. It's packed with an arsenal of advanced weaponry, with one feature standing out in particular: the Viker anti-tank missile system. Typically designed to lock onto and destroy armored vehicles from a distance, the Viker proved itself by taking down a Ukrainian UAV. Now, let's get to the key event. October 23, 2024. On this day, a Russian KA-52 made history by shooting down a Ukrainian UAV with its missile system, something we hadn't seen before. Reports indicate that the KA-52 used a Viker missile to take down the UAV, an impressive choice that shows just how adaptable this missile is in diverse combat scenarios. Taking down a UAV is no small feat. Drones are often smaller, faster, and harder to detect than conventional targets, given their low radar signatures. The Viker missile, usually aimed at armored ground targets or larger airborne threats, had to hit this UAV with a high level of precision. Its laser-guided tracking system was crucial in making the shot, demonstrating the adaptability of both the KA-52 and the Viker in today's evolving battlefields. This incident points to a new era in aerial warfare, where helicopters are increasingly tasked with countering UAV threats head-on. So, why is this such a big moment in military aviation? This marks the first recorded instance of a Russian helicopter taking down an enemy UAV with missile technology. It shows a shift in how helicopters are being used, not just in offensive attack roles, but also in air defense and anti-drone missions. What does this mean for overall strategy on both sides? For one, it signals a shift in aerial tactics. Ukraine has leaned heavily on drones for reconnaissance and strikes, making UAVs essential to its military strategy. This heavy reliance on drones is now driving Russia to step up its counter-drone strategies. The KA-52's success against a UAV is a clear example of how Russian forces are adapting their tactics to meet these new threats. This shift isn't just about one incident, it's part of a broader trend. The battle for air superiority is driving both sides to test new technologies and roles. Russia arming helicopters to intercept drones adds a new layer of capability, while Ukraine's UAV reliance is fueling rapid innovations in electronic warfare and countermeasures. Electronic warfare plays a key role, as both sides are using jamming and signal disruption to interfere with UAVs. The KA-52's ability to target lock under these conditions shows just how advanced its systems have become. This recent interception is far from isolated. It reflects a shift in the dynamics of drone warfare overall. We've seen UAVs challenge manned aircraft before, flipping the script on traditional air combat roles. On August 6, 2024, for instance, a Ukrainian FPV drone struck a Russian Mi-28 helicopter in Kursk Oblast, reportedly hitting its tail rotor and raising claims that the helicopter was downed. This back and forth between new tactics highlights just how fast aerial combat is evolving. For Russia, the KA-52's success could lead to more investment in helicopter-based air defense, with systems designed specifically for drone interception. Meanwhile, Ukraine may need to enhance their drones, making them harder to detect and intercept. This cycle of adaptation is likely to shape both sides' strategies in the months to come. Focusing back to our players in this story, the KA-52 and the Viker missile have consistently proven their effectiveness in the conflict. On August 16th, Russian Army aviation crews used KA-52 helicopters in precision strikes against Ukrainian armored vehicles and motorized units. Thanks to the Viker missile's advanced targeting capabilities, KA-52 crews were able to take out multiple enemy assets with pinpoint accuracy. Just a few days earlier, on August 13th, the KA-52 and Viker combination had another successful mission, taking out Ukrainian troops, armored vehicles, and transports based on reconnaissance intelligence. These strikes highlight the KA-52 and Viker as a powerful team on the modern battlefield, delivering the kind of precision strikes that can disrupt enemy movements and neutralize armored threats. The latest engagement between the KA-52 and a UAV isn't just a one-off event. It's part of a fast-evolving trend in drone warfare. As both nations continue to adapt their aerial strategies, one question remains: how will these technological and tactical shifts shape the future of warfare? Could we be seeing the beginning of an era where helicopters become frontline tools in drone countermeasures? Or will new drone advancements outpace these defenses? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.